Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my new project, which will be GUI Open and Touch. So this is what I did today. The script is this. In the description I already linked the asset ID, for which you can download in Roblox. So discover GUI frame text label. And the script, GUI Open and Touch, somehow teleported out of nowhere. So I basically just have to deal with it by just doing this. And for some reason it renamed it to something. Roblox Studio is laggy for me now, so I will playtest my own creation so you can see. Here it says you touch. Here you touched grass, and then if you walk out it's like that. Look at my mouse, there's something wrong. If I click, it's just spawning stuff. Is this some error? You touch grass. Yeah, there's... Oh, yeah, but that's it. It's basically so laggy for my computer that it's not working. But it does actually, the GUI work. So it's in the link in the description. So, bye!